Guys, welcome to a new video in Windows 10 series. In this video I am going to explain you about how character is represented in computer and many things about encoding, Unicode and many other stuffs. So I would like to explain you this by showing one problem first, and then you will get to know how this is handled and everything. So let me show you first. You can see in my desktop there is one text file. It's named Unicode text Japanese. So I'm just opening this text file, and you can see in this text file there is some Japanese text is written. Like you can see one Japanese text, and I'm just closing this notepad, and then I am opening one command prompt. So now you can see one command prompt here, and I'm just moving to desktop. Then I'm just printing the same content, like I'm printing the same content in the text file I'm printing in. Now you can see there is a problem, like the text is not correct, like it is some junk characters are displayed, but in the notepad it is correctly written like in Japanese, but in the command prompt you can see there are some junk character, but English text is correctly written. So what is going on, like what is the problem here? Why this command prompt cannot able to display this text in Japanese? So to understand this problem and the solution, I will explain you how in computer the text are manipulated and the characters are represented. So let's go more deeper. Like so basically in computer everything is managed through numbers. So if you want to represent some characters like A, B, C, D, F, G, or some other language characters like Arabic or Italian or any Chinese or Japanese, you need to match this each character to a corresponding number. So in olden days this is represented using code pages. So I will explain you what is the code page. Like in Windows it is represented using code pages. So code page is nothing, just like a table. It is for each characters, it is corresponding a number should be assigned. So you can say for example character A should be there is a number like that. So computer, so any program or any corresponding application can easily understand what character it is just by checking this encoding code page. For each application there should be one Windows code page, and the problem is there are plenty of code pages are there. Like in olden days, like if you check, there are some ANSI code page here, and there are many OEM code pages. Like these are, if you check here you can see many code pages. Like there are many code pages, and they have denoted using different unique identifiers. And the problem here is, if one computer is using one code page and one other computer may be using a different code page, then there should be some sync problem will come. Suppose in one code page a character is represented using a particular number, and the same character may be in another code page may be different. So that means if you save some character in one text file and save it and send the same text file to another PC, they will detect the same text file in different. And so that is a big problem that everyone was facing in olden days. So to avoid these such problems, now we have a solution like Unicode. Unicode means every characters in the entire world, there should be one specific number is assigned for this character. So everyone is using now Unicode text format UTF as encoding. So this problem is avoided, but still computer is like legacy. Still the code pages and everything is still used in computer programs and everything. I will introduce you some famous code pages. Like these are the famous code pages here, like in Windows. So if you take a look at here, yeah, you can see many like code pages like 437, and it is represented with IBM 437. And similarly there are many code pages like QuickCheck. There are many code pages are there, and the problem with code pages is that each code page is representing characters differently, so that will make problem, as I said earlier. So in the current problem, you know already that this CMD is now displaying this character differently, right? So if you want to display this character correctly, you need to set the correct code page for this program, then only it can understand this Japanese character correctly. So let me tell you what is the code page that the command prompt is used currently. So the command prompt is used in code page is 437 is the code page that command prompt is using by default. So you can understand this by using Windows. Yeah, you can understand this by checking the running this application. This is one of Windows application like CHCP. This is the meaning is change code page. So it is currently showing that the current code page used is 437. And yeah, what is the importance of 437? So 437 is just an English kind of code page, so it can understand only English characters. You can see here, this is the full code page that represented by the 437. So you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F, G are normal printable characters, numbers are everything there, but there is no Japanese character. All are actually managed in this code page. So that is the problem why you are seeing this junk. I mean, when you type the Unicode text file, you are seeing some jump characters, so it is not managed in this code page. So to solve this problem, you need to set the correct code page for this command prompt. So I will show you what is the correct code page for this particular C problem. So let me go to the code page list. So here you can see all code page, many code pages are there for different languages, Hebrew, like many are there. But if you go seek the down, you can see this one particularly like 65001. This is the code page for UTF-8. UTF means Unicode text format. This is the widely used Unicode format. Everyone is using this one. So in this format, every characters already managed. So if you set this code page as CMD's code page, then it can display the Japanese character. So I will show you how to set it. So I am just setting the code page like same command, chcp 65001. So now I set the code page to 65001, and you can see this code page is set or not by just checking the properties. Here you can see the code page, like what's code page? Yeah, you can see the code page. Yeah, here you can see the code page. Current code page is 65001 UTF-8. So this means the current code page is correctly set. And now this command prompt can understand the Japanese text correctly. So I am printing the same character again, type Unicode text. So now you can see this character is correctly written, like Japanese character is correctly written. Well guys, now this problem is solved. So now you understand what is code page, how computer is representing characters, everything. And in my next series I will show you more about Unicode and what is UTF and UTF-16, all these encoding, what's the difference, how to use very efficiently, all these stuff. So stay tuned and please subscribe this channel.